In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Airtable. If you've ever needed a clean physical copy or a PDF of your Airtable data, but weren't sure how to get everything looking neat and readable, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go from choosing the right view all the way to sending it to your printer or saving it as a PDF. First, open your Airtable base and choose the grid view you want to print. This might be something like All Projects or any other grid view you've set up. Printing always reflects the view you currently have selected, so make sure you're on the one that shows the information you actually want on paper. If you need a special layout just for printing, it can be helpful to duplicate an existing view and use that copy as your print view. Next, configure that view so it shows exactly what you need. Use filters to hide records you don't want to appear, like completed tasks or archived items. Sort your records so they appear in a logical order, for example, by due date, status, or priority. You can also group your records to make sections, such as grouping by project owner or category. Remember, whatever you see in this grid is what will be reflected in the printout. So take a moment to hide unnecessary fields and adjust column widths if needed. Once your data looks right, go to the top left where your view name is displayed. Click the small down arrow next to the view name, and from that drop-down menu, choose Print View. This opens Airtable's Print Setup window, where you control how everything will appear on the page. In the Print Settings dialog, choose your page size and orientation. If your table is wide with many columns, landscape orientation usually works best so your columns don't get cut off. You can adjust field sizing so columns fit better across the page and tweak the font size to balance readability with fitting more content. You'll also see options to include row numbers or the view name. Enable these if you want extra context on the printed pages, or disable them for a cleaner look. When everything looks good in the preview, click Print. This will open your browser's print dialog. From there, you can select your printer and print directly, or choose the option to save as a PDF if you need a digital copy to share or archive. And that's it. That's how you print from Airtable while keeping your data organized, readable, and professional.